How to fix WordPress Elementor loading problem. With Elementor, you get to replace the block editor with a more intuitive page builder. If you're an Elementor user, you'll need to load the editor every time you want to create or edit a page. However, sometimes an error might prevent Elementor from loading. Fortunately, there are several solutions to this problem. If you understand what causes the error, you should be able to troubleshoot it in no time. Here's how to troubleshoot the Elementor not loading error step by step. First, update Elementor. It may be the case that Elementor is failing to load because you're using an outdated version of the plugin. You'll also want to pay special attention to Elementor add-on plugins. These add-ons expand the page builder's functionality and widget library. You might want to check the PHP version of your site, because here you'll find some technical information about your website. If you open the Server tab, you'll be able to check what PHP version your server uses. If that's still not the case, check your website's memory limit because that defines how much RAM the entire WordPress installation gets to use. Low memory limits will prevent a lot of plugins from working correctly. After trying all options and still no progress, we recommend changing Elementor loader methods as a last resort if no other troubleshooting approach works. And that is how you can fix WordPress Elementor loading problem. Thank you for watching!